Alright guys, so I'm going to be washing the four-wheeler after yesterday's ride. I probably look crazy out here with a helmet on, washing a four-wheeler. But we'll see how it goes. Yeah. This is just how I wash my four-wheeler. I wish I had a foam cannon, but I don't. First do a 25-degree wide on low pressure. You gotta make sure all the air bubbles are out of this stuff. Out of the line. I don't do high pressure up here by the electronics and stuff, just because I don't want to force water into anything that I don't need, and I don't use the 15-degree. That's why I use a 25-degree there. Get underneath here. Really good. Get in all these cracks and crevices. Make sure you blast out any of that dust. So it's not really mud right now that I'm trying to get out. It's all this dust from all the dirt roads. So on this metal, like the A-arm right here, and the cover right here, probably have to turn it to high pressure and get the 15-degree angle, just because of the pressure needed to blast off like that mud that's burnt onto the case. Make sure to get underneath all the plastics, the insides of the rims. Make sure to really really spray out the hubs, because you don't want anything getting in there, grinding anything. For, a while, especially not today. so I'm not too worried about spraying the brakes with high pressure or the chain, because I'm really washing the chain off so I can re-lube it, really getting all the dust off the chain. All the gunk and grime. I'll probably clean the air filter today too. That's a low pressure wash. Like I said, I'm going to hit it with the high pressure here in a little bit. Well, right now, in a couple spots that the like burnt mud is caked on, just to get it completely off and clean. Wish I had a foam cannon though, like I originally said, because it'd be really nice to soak all this stuff just with a foam cannon, let it sit for a while. Clean off the tire. Get that black to shine through. Clean off the exhaust. I don't care if the exhaust gets hit. Clean off this swing arm. And that's how you do it. Simple as that. Really easy to do.